This is Kamrunaha. Today I will discuss about the Prometaphase phase. In Prometaphase phase, nuclear membrane and nucleolus almost disappears. Spindle apparatus is formed. Centriole divides from where ester fiber radiates. Spindle apparatus is formed due to the accumulation of protein fiber. The middle area between the two poles is called equator. Protein fiber spread from one pole to another. These protein fiber are called spindle fiber. This is degenerating nucleolus and this is degenerating nuclear membrane. In case of animal cell, centriole divides earlier in addition to formation of spindle apparatus and this centriole from where ester fiber radiates. So, in prometaphase phase of mitosis cell division, three important things occur, that is, nuclear membrane and nucleolus almost disappears. Spindle apparatus is formed. Centriole divides from where ester fiber radiates in case of animal cell. So this is very important phase, but this phase is very short. Thank you everybody.